Student, welcome back to my class. Today we will start our exercise 2.2. But before starting this exercise, let us understand zero of our polynomial. Zero of a polynomial means value of x at which given polynomial is 0. Means you have to find a value of x. That when you put in the polynomial, your polynomial becomes 0. For example, if I have a polynomial px is equals to x plus 1, clear? And if I put x is equals to minus 1 in this polynomial, I get p minus 1 is equals to minus 1 plus 1. And when I cut this minus with this plus 1, I get 0. Means x is equals to minus 1 is a 0 of पॉलिनोमियल. क्लियर कि ये जो x की वैल्यू है दैट इज -1, ये 0 है पॉलिनोमियल का. क्यों? बिकॉज जब ये x हम बच्चे गिवन पॉलिनोमियल में सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं वी विल गेट आवर पॉलिनोमियल इज 0. क्लियर? सो लेट अस मूव टू द एक्सरसाइज. क्वेश्चन ऑफ आवर एक्सरसाइज. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ आवर पॉलिनोमियल. पॉलिनोमियल इज 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equals to 0. X equals to minus 1, x equals to 2. Means you have given here the value of x, that is 0, minus 1 and 2. And one by one you have to put these value in the polynomial and get the value of polynomial. So let I name this polynomial as px is equals to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now at x is equals to, first part at x is equals to 0. So P0 is equals to 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. Here 5 into 0 is 0 minus 4 into 0 is 0 plus 3. So here at x is equals to 0 our polynomial's value is 3. Clear? जब हम x 0 पुट कर रहे हैं तो जो हमारा polynomial है वो कितना आ रहा है? 3 आ रहा है. So similarly you can put the value of x as -1 and 2 and get different value of polynomial. Let us move to the second sum of exercise 2.2. Find p0, p1 and p2 for each of the following polynomial. In the second question you have given 4 parts and for each part you have to find p0, p1 and p2. Here this 0 is the value of variable. That variable which we use in the polynomial. In the first part we have variable that is y. Y is a variable here. Clear? So we have to find p0, p1 and p2. So here I will solve it. You can see that here. You can see that here I am solving. First of all p0, it means put value of y 0 in this polynomial, that is 0 square minus 0 plus 1, that is 1. Now p1, now I will put y as 1, this is 1 square minus 1 plus 1 and 1 square is 1 minus 1 plus 1. I cut this with this, I get 1 as my answer. Now p2, now I substitute 2 in y in the given polynomial, that is 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 square that is 4 minus 2 plus 1, that is 4 minus 2, that is 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So here I have find the value of p0, p1, p2 for the polynomial py is equals to y square minus y plus 1. So let us have a third question of exercise 2.2. Verify whether the following are 0 of the polynomial indicated against them. Means you have given a polynomial and against them you have given a value of x. You have to put this value of x in the given polynomial and tell that whether this value of x is 0 of polynomial or not. 0 means when you put this value in the given polynomial you will get answer 0 or not. If your answer is 0 it means x is equals to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of polynomial. So let us start here solution. Here px is equals to 3x plus 1 at x is equals to minus 1 by 3. So p minus 1 by 3 is equals to 3 multiply bracket minus 1 by 3 plus 1. Here I cut this with this 3. I get minus 1 plus 1 which is equals to 0. So at x is equals to minus 1 by 3, our answer is 0. Answer means our polynomial becomes 0. So x is equals to minus 1 by 3 is 0 of a polynomial. Clear? So let us move to the seventh part of question number 3. Again we have given a polynomial px is equals to 3x square minus 1. Clear? You have to find that these two values of x are 0 or not of a given polynomial. So first of all we will check at x is equals to minus 1 divided by under root 3. So where you have x, you can put the value of minus 1 divided by under root 3. That is 3 multiply bracket minus 1 divided by under root 3 whole square minus 1. So in the next step what you have to do, this is whole square of 1 divided by under root 3. So I will separate this square with like this. You can see here minus 1 square divided by under root 3 square minus 1. And the next step 3 multiply when the power is even. Clear? Then this negative sign is eliminated in the answer. So this will 1 divided by, and I cut this square with this under root 3 minus 1. This 3 is cut with this. I get 1 minus 1 which is 0. So at x is equals to minus 1 divided by under root 3, value of polynomial is 0. Therefore I can say that x is equals to minus 1 divided by under root 3 is a 0 of polynomial. Clear? So let us solve at x is equals to 2 by under root 3. I will check that x is equals to 2 by under root 3 is a 0 of given polynomial or not. Now here I substitute 2 by 3 at the place of x. 3 multiply bracket 2 by under root 3 whole square minus 1. So here 3 multiply 2 square. I separate here whole square with the numerator and denominator. Under root 3 square minus 1. So this is 3 multiply 4 by, I cut this square with this 3 minus 1, and here I cut this 3 with this. I get 4 minus 1 which is 3. So when I put x is equals to 2 divided by under root 3, our polynomial is not 0. It is other than 0. Here it is 3. So x is equals to 2 by under root 3 is not a 0 of polynomial. Clear? कि x जो है 2 under root 2 डिवाइडेड बाय अंडर रूट 3 पे हमारा पॉलिनोमियल 0 नहीं आ रहा. सो ये जो x की वैल्यू है दैट इज 2 डिवाइडेड बाय अंडर रूट 3, ये 0 ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल नहीं है. सो लेट अस मूव टू द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 2.2. फाइंड द 0 ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केसेस. Here I am solving the fourth part for you, that is px is equals to 3x minus 2. Means you have to find the 0. It means you have to find the value of x at which your polynomial becomes 0. So here I am solving it. Here I have px is equals to 3x minus 2. I have to find the 0, and at 0 our polynomial is equals to 0. So it is my first step to solve this kind of question. So what is the value of px? Here 3x minus 2 equals to 0, and 3x is equals to 2. It is in negative, and on the other side it is in positive. Clear? And x is equals to 2 by 3. Here you can see that 3 is multiplied with x, and on the other side it will be in divide. So here I get x is equals to 2 divided by 3, which is a 0 of the polynomial. क्लियर कि ये जो x की वैल्यू आई है बच्चे, ये 0 है किसका? इस पॉलिनोमियल का. क्योंकि जब भी आप ये वैल्यू इस पॉलिनोमियल में पुट करोगे So student, you will get Px equals to 0. Clear? So with this, our exercise 2.2 is finished. Thank you students.